Hello everyone. I just wanted to drop a quick video on how exactly use our Chrome scraper extension that we just released and find business emails of your prospects. We're gonna use a LinkedIn as an example for today. So first thing you want to do, you want to put in your lead filters and get a list like that. And from there on, you would just need to pop our Chrome extension, scroll all the way down to the bottom, as our extension right now works in the way we scrape what you can see on the screen, and create a new list or add an existing one, and click on add to list button. You would do that with all your list clicking through the pages of your search output. This is quite simple, and once you're done with scraping, you would just need to click on this little tiny button that will take you to Pipl.ai application and will open up the list of prospects that you just scraped. From there on, you can use our enrichment workflows to get an email address of lists that you just scraped. Unfortunately, it's not super straightforward as of today. We just released our extension and we're still working on streamlining the workflow here. The scraped data by default will not have a website of your prospects, like the most recent job they're on. And you will need to add a couple more enrichments in order to achieve that. So the first thing that you will need to do, you have their LinkedIn URL, and you're gonna need to add an enrichment to enrich the personal LinkedIn profile of your prospects. We would just select that and pass LinkedIn personal URL as an input to the workflow. I don't really need all these data points, but the data point that I need is the most recent employer's company link. I will do that, launch that enrichment workflow. Just as usual, it will take a couple seconds to get done. And with that LinkedIn profile, we would need to launch another enrichment now on company profiles in order to get the URL of these companies. So we're gonna pop another LinkedIn enrichment, this time on companies. We will pass just scraped most recent experience company link as an input to this workflow. Again, I don't really need any of this data, but the critical data point that I need for my next workflow is a website URL. So I'll just go ahead and execute this workflow, which will give us a list of website URLs that your prospects currently work for. Once this is done, we have finally enough data in order to launch our business email finder workflow. It works just as usual. You need to find your email field, click on enrich button and select find business emails. From here, you would pass the full name that you have from initial scrape to the workflow, and you will also need to select a recent workflow output that contains a list of websites. Typically, that would be the last one, but double check your inputs. And from there on, you will just need to click on a run button, and our workflow will find work emails of your prospects where we can do that. Unfortunately, this workflow is not yet fully optimized. You will need to do all of these enrichments in order to get the prospect website. We're working to optimize this, make it more straightforward. But yeah, hope you enjoy the video and let me know if any questions.